David Licauco update. And sa post ng Tao story na endorsement ni David, behind the scene nyo. Ang sabi dito, lights, camera, taho. Behind every scoop of freshly served taho with ice cream is a page you love. And this is taho totally exciting. Mr. David Licauco as Ginoong Manda Taho for Tao story. And guwapo pa nga ng endorser. And David Licauco yan. Ang pambansang Ginoo. And behind the scene ni David. Nakabarong pa. Masarap yan. Taho na may ice cream. Solid. Ayan o. Iba-ibang katauhan ni David. Nagbabasketball. Ayan o. One kataho. Tapos may bigote pa. Ayan, simple lang. Nakabarang. Ayan, Tao story. Yung bago endorsement yan ni David. Yung bagay kay David yung endorsement niya. Ayan, iba-ibang flavor yan. Ito po. Na may ice cream. Ayan, pinagandaan yan ni David. Ayan, si Kelsey nandyan pa. Tapos si Sir Nathan.
One, five, take two.
Yan, may pambansang Ginoo. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.